Hi, this is Kelly. So I just awoke from a night of camping in a Cyprus swamp, and I just thought I would let you listen to the sights and sounds of the morning. All the birds are happy. Everything's coming alive for the day. I love to camp. It's one of my favorite things to do. I live off the grid in Montana in my log cabin I built. And I also live off the grid in Alaska in my mobile micro home. And then I have a large youth camp in Michigan that is on the grid. And I don't really live there anymore. I used to. It's on Lake Michigan. It's beautiful. And it's the home to my Angels Among Us youth camp. And in between, I camp as much as I can. I like to travel around and do a lot of camping. I'm still tired. So, anyways, I hope you're doing well and hope you get outdoors and go wild and follow your wildest dreams. I think I'm going to take a little siesta and drift off and listen to the birds singing.